Good day, everyone. This is the Group 7 reporting, which is the topic of swing with inheritance and polymorphism. So, what's the goal of this project? First is we're building a Java program with a GUI, a visual interface like buttons and forms that helps people calculate the area and perimeter of shapes like circles, rectangles, and triangles. To do that, we're using the three big ideas, which is first the inheritance and polymorphism. Think of it like a family tree. First is you make one general shape class like a parent. Then you make specific shapes like circles, rectangles, triangles that inherit from it, and also like a children. Then each shape knows how to calculate its own area and perimeter even though they all come from the same base class. So this makes your code organized and reusable. Then the second one is multi-form application. Instead of one boring screen, your app has multiple forms. First is one screen to choose a shape, then another screen to enter details like radius or length. Then the third one is a final screen to show the results. It's like having different pages in an app that work together. Then the third one is clean object-oriented design. This means your code is easy to read, easy to update, built using smart programming principles like separating logic and design. So again, what's happening in the code is building a program that works with different shapes like circle, rectangles, and triangles and calculates their area and perimeter. To keep things neat and smart, you're using a code tree called inheritance. So these are the step-by-step explanation. The first is base class shape. Think of it like a blueprint or general idea of what a shape is. It has two basic functions. So the first is get area, then open and close parenthesis, then to calculate area is, and the second one is get perimeter to calculate perimeter. But it doesn't know how to do that math yet. It just say every shape should be able to do this. So derived classes, circle, rectangle, and triangles, these are the calculate shapes. Each one inherits from the shape class, meaning they follow the blueprint. But they also vary the functions to do the math their own way. A circle uses radius, as a rectangle uses length and width, a triangle uses base and height or sides. So why this is smart? So you don't think that have to repeat code for each shape. You can treat you can treat all shapes the same way in your program even though they behave differently. It makes your code cleaner, easier to manage, and more flexible.
So sa GUI components, base class, shape abstract class with the method like getArea and getPerimeter. So derived classes like circle, rectangle, and triangle. So each class overrides the base method to provide the shape specific calculations. So it says every shape must know how to find its area and perimeter, but it doesn't say how because each shape is different. So pareha sila mga shape pero lahi-lahi lang forma o lahi-lahi lang pwede himuon. Like for example, sa circle, nagamit siya formula for area. Ang sa rectangle, nagamit siya length, x width. Sa triangle, nagamit siya 1/2 x base and height. So in short, ang shape is appearance or the rule book. Ang circle, rectangle, and triangle naman are the children that follows the rule but to do things in their own way. So this makes programming easier because you can create all of them as just shape, but each behave differently when used. So sa gilang ko pagana ako parehas lang mga shape, pero laylay sa forma o pwede mahimo. Like for example, in remote control, it can work it can work differently different devices like TV, aircon, and speaker. Um, same siya remote pero laylay siya pwede mabuhat. Pwede siya mabuhat sa TV, sa aircon, and also sa speaker. So, same as a shape. So, parehas la shape pero laylay sila pwede buhaton. So, next is ang polymorphism in action. The application uses a shape reference to handle different shape objects dynamically, allowing flexible and scalable code. So you can use common type like shape to work with many different kinds of object like circle, square, or triangle without changing your code. So even though each one, a circle, square, or triangle, behave differently, the program can treat them all as just a shape. So biskan laylay sila forma o laylay sila pwede mabuhat pero consider kami sila sa program as a shape. So this makes the code flexible, easy to add new shapes, and is scalable, works for many types without rewriting. So in short, ang polymorphism daw, it's one piece of code work with many forms of object.
So here's the classes of our code.